What's going on? So as you can see, we're moving. I haven't posted in a while, been busy as shit. So this is our old house, and I live basically right in the middle of South Phoenix. Everything's awesome here as far as internet and everything goes. So I'm left with a big dilemma. The only internet out there is either DSL, which fuck that shit. There it's 1.5 megs max. Yeah. Terrible. Or satellite, which limits everything to 50 gigs, which is useless. I actually checked our internet usage, and a couple months ago we used 770 some odd gigs in 1 month. That's kind of crazy. At that rate, we would have blown through the 50 gig limit in less than 2 days. So that's a big no. So my solution?
I want to make sure that internet, why not? Take that step to the country. Yeah. So yeah, recommend that you check down using the right protectors.
These are Ubiquiti NanoBeam AC Gen 2s. They are antennas. What I'm gonna do is actually, I'm gonna beam from a buddy's house up to another relay point using 2 antennas. Then I got another 2 on the way, they'll be here tomorrow, that are gonna beam it from there to my house out the other direction. They're AC antennas, wireless AC, so theoretical max of 450 megs, which is pretty good. I'm gonna get the 300 meg internet from Cox, which is actually a step up from what we have here right now. I can get up to 300 here, I think, but I mean, it'd be nice if the new house actually has faster internet. But yeah, it's kind of a wonky sort of workaround way of doing it, but it's the only option I have. DSL isn't gonna cut it, satellite isn't gonna cut it, so I had to kind of think outside the box. Throughout this whole process, I will be taking you guys along on the journey because it should be kind of interesting. Lots of hurdles to overcome. I also have some much bigger plans in the works that I will fill you guys in on once I hear more. This has been my life the past, been monkeying around with this bullshit and getting shit planned for probably 2 months now, almost. It's been craziness. I will be around a little bit more often now because we're finally nearing the end of this shit. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, and all that happy bullshit to learn how to bounce internet over the course of, I think the whole round trip's like 4 miles. Should work pretty well, actually. I'm pretty hopeful for it. At least I fucking hope it works well, because it's the only option I have. But yeah, be sure to like, share, subscribe, all that happy horse shit. I will talk to you later. Yeah, bye.